Yeah. I don't know that song. Christmas.
My booty.
My god brother. Yeah. Yeah, my god brother. Okay. Okay.
Here's my
So,
batangas.
stop, dude. Okay. This is a late Christmas present
Here's my
from.
diggly.
Yeah, just leave now. You just need to leave. This is so inappropriately nasty right now. You need to leave. How old are you? Like 6?
7.
Probably 7, Malia.
I thought it was 6. I always a year behind with these people. But okay. Late Christmas present from my mom. $4.99.
4 bucks? No,
Like $4.99. It says $4.99.
it's $5.
$4.99. $5. What?
It's $5.
Yeah, $5. I guess. $4.99 is what I'm gonna call it.
Okay, just get the stop.
It's $5.
$5. 5. Sorry for yelling at you, but 5. Okay. Stop saying $4.99. It's 5. Okay. This looks like 5. So for $5, as he says, saying. Mommy, people don't need to hear this. He peed the bed last night, and my mom got covered with pee. Him, the little 7-year-old bedwetter. He's a bedwetter. A bedwetter. Him. He's a major bedwetter. Kiss his foot. You kiss my foot, boy. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait, look at this. This is adorable. I have a whole pack of it. This is like.
She ate 2.